I was always told the best solution if you ever run into a problem like this is to do cocaine about it. Now, go. Hey, how's it going? Today, wow, this thing's dirty. Hey, today we're going to be upgrading, technically. This computer, I believe, has a Gen 2 or Gen 3 M.2 in it, and we are going to upgrade it to a Gen 4. It's going to probably only be able to run Gen 3. It is a very old computer, but the person who owns it is going to be turning it into a workstation, and it's no longer going to be a gaming computer. So it's probably perfect for that, but it just needs more memory because currently we already got everything set up to clone this one. Oh, don't record. Don't record me putting the password in, please.
Go.
All right, so currently what we're going to do is use our favorite program, DiskGenius. You can download it for free. Just go to DiskGenius.com. Oh, you thought. All right.
You know what? We'll be right back the whole time. Ready, go.
Why? Oh, you're recording it because...
We could do a speed comparison.
Oh, okay. Let's shut it down. Okay.
All right.
We don't want it to boot up from that guy right there.
Yeah, I know.
So we're going to see what happens. As soon as that green light shuts off, we're good. Baby, are you down? Do you monetize this video? Got it.
All right.
Wow, this is taking forever.
Yeah, I know. It really is.
Okay. Not yet. Cool. This right here, we purchased this. You may have seen it in the last video. Amazon Basics. This is probably my favorite rechargeable screwdriver I've ever used. We're going to link this in the video. Forward, back. I put it on the lowest setting when I'm working with computers and stuff, but if I'm pulling screws out of wood or metal, I just crank it up to the max, and it just goes 300 RPMs. Just amazing. Again, I'm going to crank it back down because when I'm using it, you want to be delicate with it.
Cool.
And we're going to...
All right.
So, we wait till the green light goes out, and then we should be ready to go. Also, we picked up this guy too. So I think there's a company that makes iFixit, I think, sells a kit that's called the Manta or something. And they want almost $100. I got this kit. Excuse me. Put him in here. Well, there we go. I got this kit for, I think it was $20. And I have been using this in the field so much. It didn't come with these extra tweezers. I got those in an iPhone fixing kit. Oh, look, we can boot up.
There we go, boot. Link in the description for the...
Oh, yeah, we'll link both of these guys in the description. Please use our links, we're broke.
Yeah, right.
Then we can buy the Manta. Use DiskGenius to clone the drive. Again, I believe, if I'm wrong, but I think this does have a Gen 2, but it can support Gen 3, and we're putting a Gen 4 in it, because the price difference is just not really there. Yes. I don't see us... Okay, so tools, we're going to go down to clone disk. We're going to select which disk is going to be our source, which is going to be the smaller disk. Hit yes, because we're migrating the entire thing. And then we're going to select, normally you may have other options. Make sure you're selecting the one that you need. There we go. Yes. And now always fill up all the space. We want all of it. We paid for 500 gigabytes. We're getting 500 gigabytes.
Free service.
Oh, yeah, this is free, yeah. And we're going to do a hot migration because we don't want it to keep shutting off. Now, this may take... What did the last time it took on the... This is going to take even longer because I believe that this is... the drive that's currently in it is an M.2 Gen 2, and it's writing to an M.3. We are using a lightning port, so really the speed that we're experiencing is going to be...
that lightning port.
Yeah, no, it's the M.2.
The M.2?
The original M.2 that's in here.
All right, we'll see you back in 31 minutes.
For a second there. 5 seconds. Oh, it's done. Hey.
All right, now we're going to get to the technical work.
All right, so we're going to hit OK. We're going to hit complete. I'm going to close it.
Now we're going to install it.
And we need to shut it down completely.
Yep.
I've opened this before. That's it. Okay. All right.
Go.
So, we are going to get to use our Amazon Basics tool.
Link in the description.
Link in the description, yeah. So, we put it on the lowest torque setting because we don't want to damage anything. There we go. Now this is really great if you have like arthritis or someone broke your finger. Come, please, boy.
There's one. Where's our...
Put him in a little bowl. There we go. Number 2. He's not long. Hold on.
Yeah.
Let me map these guys really quick. Oh no, they're the same. Okay, but we are going to map them a little bit. Because I just don't want to lose them. Okay. Wow, this is like, those guys are awful. I assume this one will be better. Maybe. Alright, let's see. There we go. Yeah, these guys are way better. Want this one, I believe.
What is it?
2.5. Nope.
Not 2.5.
Why is it doing that? Is it spinning?
Yeah. Definitely.
Okay.
It's coming up, that's for sure.
Oh, okay, so they were slanted. That makes so much sense. No wonder it wasn't grabbing with the screwdriver. Okay. I think that's it for screws.
So that's how they go. You want me to put them in the container now?
No. Yeah, you know what? We could do that.
All right, I'm going to only cut so that we could break this here.
Oh,
all right, we're going,
for
yeah.
your simple editing.
Yeah, easy editing so that I can put a note that there is where the screws go is that point, you know?
Yeah. There we go.
So what are you doing?
I'm breaking the little seal that this thing has. side. I don't want to damage anything. I was gonna get a new battery for this thing as well, but then when I tested the battery to see the battery life on it, it was like 92. So I don't know what they made the battery out of this year, but very strong battery. Let's get this guy in here instead. There we go.
What if there's a
screw right there? We'll find out. Okay. All right.
Good.
There we go.
Cool.
And this looks pretty clean.
It is clean. Look at it. Oh, gotta blow a little bit in there.
What is this from? What was that? Piece of plastic, it looks like.
Yeah.
Oh, is that a screw? No. All right, so
M.2 goes there, I assume.
yes.
They don't have a second M.2 slot. That would be kind of cool.
There might be one. Give me a second, I'll see if I can locate one.
What about this thing?
I'm not sure what that is. It's got a heat sink on it, but the battery is this giant thing right here.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, and look at him. Maybe we should have ordered it. He's starting to be
Swelly.
a little bit.
Little.
We're not going to mess with him too much.
Alright.
We're going to air him out, though, if you want to pass me that air.
Yeah, let's get the air can. So, on brand air can. Link in the description.
Here, taste this.
No, thank you, though.
If you breathe it in, you can taste that delicious... Alright. They put like this weird flavor in it so that people will stop huffing it. Is that a heat sink? It is. So what is this?
PCI 2. PCI, it's the original. They would put 2 or 3, Jacob. That's cool.
I don't know if ours is going to work with this then.
Why?
Mainly because...
It's bigger? Is it bigger?
I don't think...
I don't think it is.
I don't think it is either. We'll see.
We will right now. Guarantee if it doesn't fit,
We'll make it fit.
we'll clip off the edge so it does fit.
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
It does fit.
It will fit.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. So we're going to put that back down.
Fully licensed.
Oh.
I don't want to get
EA.
demonetized.
Oh.
Yeah, EA. Yeah, EA.
Yeah, not the other one. I'm trying to remember the drum sequence for it. What's that iconic drum sequence that I'm thinking of? Leave it in the chat.
It's in the game. Yeah.
Oh, no, I wasn't thinking of that. Did I not hook this up right? Give me a second. I may have bamboozled myself. Can you please tell me why you not want to hook up? That was very weird. Yeah, why is he doing that? Is it too tight, maybe?
Yeah, it was too tight.
Yeah, I don't like tight's too tight, too tight's too broken, but in this case, I don't think that's what it is. Yeah, I don't think that's what it is. I think that this retaining clip here needs to get pushed back in. Let me get a light. Yeah, you see that? Let me go get a tool for this, because we do have a tool for this. What we're going to end up doing is just pressing it back in so it holds. Because we don't want it to come loose. Be right back.
Be right back.
I was always told the best solution if you ever run into a problem like this is to do cocaine about it.
I have to edit that out now.
I didn't know you were recording.
You can't have that in the video.
I didn't know you were recording. I'm sorry. You can put it as bloopers, because you know I'm not serious. Alright. One more little squoosh. There we go. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. So I got that side closing properly. Got it. It's locked in place now. Okay. That was simple, right?
Mm-hmm.
Dude, look at this.
How old is it?
It's by Toshiba.
You got that booting too.
That is so cool. That is so cool. We're going to have to look this up.
Alright, we'll be right back.
Do you see the...
Go.
There's two different types of DDR RAM.
Okay.
There is 8 gigabytes of DDR4 and 8 gigabytes of DDR3, I believe.
Okay. Just put your shell back on and let's go.
Oh, wait. Is that a wire in the way? No, we're fine.
No.
Just go ahead and... Alright.
Screws. A little screw. Good. You go right here. Oh, you want to go in the middle one. Alright. These are little screws. Alright, got this guy right here.
How come we're filming every single screw?
For people that need to know.
Makes sense. Alright.
So you don't want to use an electric screwdriver to screw things back in.
I mean, you could. Just put it on the lowest torque setting.
Yeah. Alright.
Alright, let's turn it over and pop it on.
Alright. And this is also how long it takes to boot now with the new hard drive.
It's not a hard drive.
It's SSD, yeah.
It's SSD.
Wow, looks manageable. Wow.